Hello and welcome to HideShip. In this tutorial, we'll see how to offer specific shipping rates in Shopify checkout for those orders that are based on weight using HideShip. Optimizing shipment based on weight is crucial for many businesses, and HideShip makes it easy to manage shipping based on product weight, even for heavier items. Let's get started with this simple and quick setting. From your HideShip dashboard, click on Create Customization here on the top right of the page. In the pop-up window, select Simple Customization. In the condition field, choose Order Weight. Let's create a rule where if the weight is less than 5 kilograms, the customer will qualify for a free shipping service. Select Greater Than in the second field, add the value 5, and choose the unit from the drop-down menu, in our case, kilograms. In the Hide, Sort, or Rename Shipping Methods section, you'll find a list of popular methods. Here you can remove or hide any methods you don't want to offer and keep only the ones you prefer. To hide a method, simply toggle the button on its right here. Simple like this. In our example, we'll hide only the method free shipping, and we'll leave all the others unchecked. Once you finish with your setting, click Save, and as you can see, the rule is already active and online on our store. Now let's check on our store if any order with a weight less than 5 kilograms will have the free shipping available and on top of the list. From your store, select a product with a weight lower than 5 kilograms and go to the checkout page. As you can see, the method free shipping is available and on top of the list only for orders under 5 kilograms. But let's test what happens when I buy a product with a higher weight than 5 kilograms. As you can see, free shipping is not anymore available. Remember that if you don't see a method you want in the list, you can always add it at the bottom of the list here, add the method, click the button, and sort it in the position that you prefer. With HideShip, managing and sorting shipping rates based on the weight in Shopify checkout is effortless and efficient, ensuring a seamless experience and a personalized offer for both you and your customers.